Children, in electricity, today we are going to discuss about differences between series and parallel connection. Difference between series and parallel. Children, series is positive terminal of one end is connected to negative terminal of another end. Whereas in parallel, all positives are connected to one end and all negatives are connected to another end. Just for example, we will show one connection. Just for example, this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, like this here connection. Whereas here, children, all positives are connected to one end, all negatives, all positives are connected to one end, all negatives are connected to another end, like this. Okay, children. In series, children, current is constant. In series, I told you current is constant, whereas in parallel, potential is constant because all of them are in same junction. Okay. Whereas in series, potential is different. And in parallel,
Current is different.
Current is different. Current is different. Okay. And series formula is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, so on. And parallel formula is 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. If all the resistors are same and the formula is Rs is equal to NR and here RP is equal to R by N. Okay, some more differences I want to add some more differences. Series and some more differences. In series, when you are connecting side to side, side to side, side to side, what is happening? Length is increasing. Overall length is increasing. When you connect one below each other,
Resistance increases.
area is increasing. Area is increasing. Don't forget, children. Please remember. If length is increasing, resistance also increases. Resistance also increases.
Increases.
If area is increasing,
Resistance decreases.
Resistance decreases. Resistance decreases. Okay, resistance decreases. Now, the total resistance will be more than the highest resistance. And here, total resistance will be less than the least.
Lowest resistance.
Total resistance is more than the highest. Total resistance is less than the least. Total resistance is more than the highest. Total resistance is less than the least. Okay, children? And series connection, children, normally we will be using decoration bulbs like that, children. In your parties and functions, decoration bulbs they will keep for children. That is series connection. Whereas parallel connection, domestic circuits, in our house, all connections are parallel only. No one will use series connection. You will get the visor. Children, suppose in our house, if you are using series connection, imagine if you switch off one switch in any room, full house will get switched off because they are in series. If you switch off here, how the other things will glow, children? Because current is constant.
Constant.
Same. So if you switch off one bulb, other things also get switched off. If you switch off one bulb, other things also. Whereas in parallel, children, see here, this is there, this is there. This will have individual switch. This will have individual plug. This will. If you switch off this also, this both will be glowing. So parallel connection is used in domestic circuits. Series connection is used in decoration bulbs and all these things. And the most important question is why parallel is preferred over series? 3 marks question in board exam. So many times they ask. In fact, this year also they asked. Why parallel connection is used? Why parallel is preferred over series in domestic circuits? That is the most important question. 3 points you should write. I'm saying that 3 points and I will stop, children. So very, very important. What are the advantages of parallel over series? Number one advantage, children. Number one advantage. Switching off one appliance. Switching off one appliance does not affect
Other bulbs.
other appliances. If you switch off one appliance also, other appliances will be working, children, no problem. If I switch off fan, will the light will be switched off? No, it will be working. But in series, if I switch off the light in my room, whole house current will go on because same current goes. Switching off one appliance does not affect other appliances. First advantage. Second advantage. Children normally, imagine in our house, we'll be having different instruments. We will be having AC, we will be having geyser, or we will also have a bed lamp, small 0 watt bulb also. Different instruments require different currents, so they should be connected in parallel. No, sir, I will connect the same wire to AC also and same wire to the 0 watt bulb also. Imagine what is the condition of 0 watt bulb. It will drag so much current, and that much current in 0 watt bulb, if it goes, it will be never be alive. Gone. I hope you are able to understand. So different instruments require different currents. Different instruments require different currents, which is possible only in parallel condition. Different instruments require different current. Try to understand. Different instruments require different current, which is possible only in parallel connection. The answer will be there in the description, children. Don't worry about that. Different instruments require different current. Different instruments require different current, which is possible in parallel connection. What is the first advantage? Can anyone repeat?
Switching off one appliance doesn't affect other appliance.
Very good. Can anyone repeat second one?
Different instruments require different current, which is possible only in parallel connection.
Fantastic, fantastic. Even you are able to understand my latest. Number 3, last one. Children, even though different instruments are requiring different current, all of them are maintained at
Same potential.
same potential. In India, we use 220 volt potential. To our house, we'll get 220 volt only, children. In 220 only, you should maintain all of them. Means it is possible only in parallel connection because all of them are in same junction. Whereas in series, I told you, now, children, junctions will differ, so potential also differs. So all instruments are maintained at same
potential.
All instruments are maintained at same potential only in parallel connection. All instruments are maintained at same potential only in parallel connection. In series, it's not possible because junctions are different, so potentials also differ. Junctions are different, potentials also differ. Junctions are different, potentials also differ. So, what are the 3 advantages of parallel over series? Can anyone say all 3, children?
Switching off one appliance does not affect the other appliance. Different instruments require different current,
which is possible only in parallel connection.
All instruments are maintained at same potential.
Which is possible only in parallel connection. All instruments are maintained at same potential. All instruments are maintained at same potential. Different instruments require different current, which is possible only in parallel. And switching off one appliance does not affect other appliances. So this is the difference between series and parallel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 differences I told you. 10 differences. You can see 10 differences I told, and 3 advantages. 10 differences, 3 advantages. 10 differences, 3 advantages I told. This is for today's children, and tomorrow onwards we'll start magnetism lesson. Thank you so much. 8th class and IPSC, you can lead the group, and 10th class you be there, children. I'll take your attendance. Thank you so much.